Hello, it's morning once again, and we've got the van farting away over there. I probably need to do something about the battery. It keeps getting harder and harder to start up every day in the cold. Maybe bring it inside, but I notice a slight difference in the steering wheels. That is because the linear actuator actually kind of works. I just hooked up the battery inside and hooked up just the bare wires to it, none of the switches and stuff, to make it a little easier on myself. And it kind of does turn. I think I need to work on some of the support back here. Add a couple more brackets because this wheel didn't really want to turn until I, wiggled it a little forward, and the movement sort of freed up the steering wheel, and it would work in. I'll see about setting this up so you can get a view of the wheels turning. Let's see here, I've got a milk crate and some wood. There we go. And there we go. Hopefully this will do the trick. There. There we go. You can see there's, as I mentioned before, a few issues with the wheels and the friction against the ground, but theoretically, if when it's driving forward, that should fix itself. But it also could be because I don't exactly have the knuckles securely mounted. I mean, this is only held on by one side on each end. Plus, I only have one piece of PVC acting as the sway bar between the knuckles, so that is probably causing a little bit of funny business with the steering wheels. But you can see there is a difference, so it should steer when I do the full test this weekend, hopefully. And the next step is going to be, well, of course, fixing that darn bendy bolt for the hip rotating linear actuator. Hopefully I'll do that tonight, I don't know. And after that, mounting the door properly, and I guess faffing around with the optical system to see if it can be mounted in pretty easily. Putting the head on, and I don't know. I mean, then of course, putting the correct wheels on, because by the looks of it, I don't think there's going to be much snow for the next few days. It's supposed to get even warmer than today, and right now it's 20 degrees. It should be getting up to like, I don't know, 30 or so, and it's going to be going up into maybe the 40s the rest of the week, so who knows how things will go. But you can hear birds squeaking and screeching around. I don't know what they're complaining about. It's warm. So, bit of linear actuator silliness, which will be all for today, I guess. Probably the next thing I'm going to be doing, after the whatever I mentioned, I'll watch a video back. But another thing I'm going to be doing is putting the 3D printed pedals onto the internal, the switches and stuff, because those are made out of wood and they don't look very good. Get 3D printed ones so they're a lot more stable, they don't wiggle around so much, so they'll be nice and only go forward and backward, not like wobble. And that will make Marduk operational. So, that is officially all for today. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next time. Bye-bye.